I am here with another kind of unboxing video, kind of not unboxing video. What I have today is the Doki Doki Literature Club Plus. This is supposed to be the premium edition. I was expecting this to come in a box, like a small box, because there is, goodies with this. And I'm gonna open this up, but if you can hear it, sounds like the stuff that's in there is that, or that's a loose disc. We're about to find out, but if you could see the plastic doesn't look like it's like tight. So this kind of looks like it's resealed. So we're gonna open this up and hopefully everything's in here. But here we go. I think I got a moth in my bedroom, guys. Oh yeah, the disc is loose. The disc was loose, and everything is indeed in here. So we got a card here from Metaverse. This is from the Metaverse. I will include what these things say. I will type them out in editing, post-editing. So in case you can't read it, because the lettering is kind of small. We have this little card here. We have the DDLC Literature Club. This is the membership card. Feels laminated, nice quality. Put your name on it. And some facts about you, I guess, if you really wanted to on here. This is the Literature Club card, the membership card. You could probably even punch a hole in it. Or, actually, no, you don't want to punch a hole in it. You could put it like in your convention lanyard, I guess. When you go to anime conventions or whatever. Then we have a couple of things here. This is, I gotta cover it up just so you guys don't see my code, but this is the floppy disk sheet that has the download code for the digital OST. So that's pretty cool. The fact that they made it look like a PC floppy disk from the freaking 1990s, that's amazing. Here we have a poem written by Monica. And again, I'll have this typed out in post editing. Printed on this nice little stationery. It's pretty cool stuff. Future Rose here. I'm going to read you guys Monica's poem that was included with the physical edition of the DDLC Plus Premium Edition, which I am unboxing for you guys right here. And I'm not going to do the other thing I said I was going to do with the business card thing that is included. So you could, pause, zoom it in if you need to, because there's 6 different ones and you can get obviously one random one. But I am going to read the poem here. The poem is called Control. And here we go. The satisfaction of control. The direct cause and effect of pressing pen to paper. The pride in my achievements, the responsibility for my mistakes. I breathe the weight of it all. Problems are just things that need solving. The future is called anxiety. The past is called regret. The present can be shaped by my hands, by my words, by my actions. It controls me, anchors me to the handcrafted reality. Imprisons me within my own artisanship. The captive pen makes meaningless stains, wet lines soaked up by the pulp of dead cells. That's why I must learn to relinquish it all. The weight, the responsibility, the pride, the control. The pen is my hand, and the one of my heart, so I can fly and chase yours. Or learn to be happy, watching you fly without me. We got a sticker sheet, 17 stickers of the girls in their items. We got pens. Looks like there's a pen. There's a sun, a heart. There's some hearts. Got a mouse cursor. Looks like a teacup. Of course, the 4 girls. No cupcake though. At least I didn't see one. And these are your cardboard standees. You can punch them out and stick them on your characters, or stick them on the little cardboard stands. And normally I don't do this, but I suppose I could. So let's pop one out. We'll put Monica on her little stand. Wait, Monica's the one I punched out, yeah? Yep. So we put her on her little stand here, and that's what it looks like. Okay, get her to stay. There we go. That's what it looks like. Oh, my fingers are kind of in the way. There you go. It looks like that when it's on the little stand. Each character has one. So I'll just finish punching these out now real quick, I guess. And I'll just leave them in here. Because these are pretty flimsy, so I feel like they're not going to stand up all that well. By the way, Natsuki is probably my favorite character. Monica, Natsuki, they're like my favorites. Making a mess. That's what I'm doing. I'm making a mess. So we put everything back in the case. And these are, of course, your little pieces, since I just punched them all out. And yeah, there's your disc as well. DDLC disc. There is no reversible cover. So there you have it, guys. I almost chewed out the seller I bought this on Amazon from, because I was expecting a like I said, like something in a little box, and all I got was the game case. I'm like, this is not what I ordered. But it's a good thing I looked it up on YouTube. Serenity Forge did make their own video showcasing all of this stuff themselves on there, so that's pretty cool. Good thing I looked it up on YouTube first. I'm like, well, if everything's inside the case, then I guess I got what I ordered. Anyways, guys, this is just a short little video that I wanted to make. Again, I will insert the poem, the wording on the screen. So and the card I will have that stuff written out in post editing. So guys, thanks for watching this quick little video. Normally I would do plugs here, but this is a short video, so I'll just say check out the description box down below. Derailed Patreon, Derailed Gaming Live. Follow me on Twitch and YouTube, of course. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. Really appreciate it. My Twitter's down there as well. Follow that. You know, normally I go into more detailed plugs for my links in the description box, but they're all in the description box. Check them all out. And yeah, so like the art on the case, that's for sure. Maybe it would look a little better if all 4 girls were on here, but it is what it is. You know, Monica is, well, just Monica. Anyways, thanks for watching, and my name is The Rose, and until next time, I'll catch your ass down the road.
If I don't know how to love you, I'll leave you be.